The word health has its changing meanings from centuries to centuries. The ancient definition was wholeness, sound, or well. Now it is a state of being complete, physical, mental, and social well being, but not merely the absence of any disease or infirmity. As the time changed, the need of new definitions emerged. With the new definitions, healthcare team expanded. Once upon a time, a doctor was a nurse and a pharmacist too. Now the expansion made into different professions, and each profession started having increasing demands with centuries. Pharmacists are not new. This profession started long back when they used to make drugs on their own. With increasing demands, the role of pharmacists was tied from compounding a drug to manufacturing it, quality and testing to dispensing. Now in this era of corona, we had few more responsibilities, including advising on healthy living, vaccinating to prevent diseases, ensuring that medicines are taken properly, thereby managing diseases well and improving the quality of life. This 10th World Pharmacist Day theme is Transforming Global Health, and it is an opportunity to communicate how pharmacists are transforming the health through various varieties of services.
Public awareness is a great weapon to completely eradicate the root cause of any disease. We have many examples like polio, plague, whooping cough, smallpox and measles. Few are completely off the screen and few are eliminated. One way of creating awareness is leaflet and pamphlets. They contain complete information, do's and don'ts, everything about a disease. These help many unanswered questions, thereby giving good results and help as reference. As a part of awareness, any support systems like masks can be given to encourage for further involvement of public. Pharmaceutical scientists transform and prolong lives by developing safe and effective medicines and vaccines. Indian pharmacists proved their efficiency, making India as an ore of medicines, proving the world how pharmacists play a major role. As healthcare professionals, acting directly with the community, continuing to care for patients with chronic diseases, working in hospital pharmacies and providing pharmaceutical care to COVID-19 patients is also an important role. Vaccination is another area where pharmacists have major responsibility. Flu vaccination awareness in many places made people relieved from seasonal cough and cold, helping them understand the importance of vaccination and difference from coronavirus. On education front, pharmacy educators are transforming outcomes by ensuring that there are enough qualified and competent pharmacists and scientists to meet the growing needs of our society. In great olden days, pharmacists were confined to the drugstore. Now with the changing scenario, we emerged as major healthcare providers, and I am proud to be a pharmacist.